Hi, I'm Stephanie from Farrell's Country Stitchin', and I am so excited to let you all know about our second virtual mystery quilt retreat. The quilt retreat is coming up on
5, 6, and 7 of November.
Yes, 5, 6, and 7 of November. And this is all virtual, so you can stay home, wear your jammies all day, and it's just a ton of fun. The ladies have had such a great time last time, and we learned tons of things. So from our very first time to this time, so we should have lots of improvements. And these are a few of the fabrics that are going to be part of the mystery quilt. So this fabric here is the border print. So this is the only fabric that you will actually have to cut yourself. The rest of the fabrics will all be cut for you. So,
Pre-cut.
Yep, they'll all be pre-cut. So
labeled and ready to sew.
That's right, pre-cut, labeled, and ready to sew. So, if you are like the rest of the ladies from last quilt retreat, cutting and all of that is time-consuming. Some of us can't stand as long as we used to, or our hands hurt. So we are pre-cutting with the laser all of your fabrics except for your border and binding. So everything will be pre-cut. So these are some of the coordinates that are going to come with your kit. And in your kit, you're going to get all of your pre-cut fabric, which will be labeled and boxed, ready to go. Your backing, your binding, and then of course you'll get emailed throughout the weekend your clues. We'll also have games and trivia, which means prizes. Everybody loves prizes. And just tons of fun. What's better than a weekend with your gal pals and not have to leave the house. So it's great fun, and I would encourage you all to join us. And better yet, if you join us and get a friend to join us also, if your friend puts your name in the notes when she orders her kit, then you're going to get a bonus mystery kit for free.
Project.
So it's a project. It's a $25 value. It's a table runner. So you're going to get a mystery table runner kit for free. When we send out your kit, you'll also get this mystery kit as well. So you can't go wrong by that. So sign yourself up, get a girlfriend to sign up too, and join us. It's right around the bend, and what better time to have than meeting some new friends?
What was the price again?
Price is $165. So
shipping.
Plus shipping, and that's for a twin size quilt. So this is going to be a twin size quilt. If you wanted to make your quilt bigger, you wanted to make it king size, all you have to do is order 2 kits. That's it. 2 kits. You're just going to double the size of your quilt, and you have a king size. That's all there is to it. Super simple. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. You can get a hold of us through the website, which is www.farrellscountrystitchin.com, or you can email us at countrystitchin@gmail.com. So I hope you can join us, and I look forward to meeting you. Have a nice day. Bye.